Why won't your Android phone connect to Wi-Fi? Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's video we will discuss why your Android phone might not connect to your Wi-Fi. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now, there isn't a definitive reason why this can happen because there are possible reasons. The very first reason could be that let's say you're trying to connect to a certain Wi-Fi but your Android phone is simply not connecting to that Wi-Fi. Maybe the problem is not with your phone but with your Wi-Fi. So if you have other networks as well, simply try to connect to them. And if it connects to them but not only your Wi-Fi, then it probably means your Wi-Fi is actually not working correctly or simply not functioning. The other reason could be that maybe you're trying to log in or connect to a public Wi-Fi. For example, in public Wi-Fi, what happens is that your phone or your Android phone security does not view them as safe, and due to the security, your Android phone will not let itself connect to that particular IP address or to that particular server, and that could be another reason why, and that could simply be if the network has some issues. The other reason could be the problem on your smartphone. So instead, what you can do is you have to simply, first of all, before you try to do anything else, restart your phone. So go ahead and simply press the power button on your Android phone and then go ahead and simply restart your phone and see if your issue has been fixed. Most likely, before you try to fix anything else, a simple restart would simply actually fix your issue. However, if that doesn't solve your problem, this could also mean due to outdated Wi-Fi chips or drivers inside your Android phone. So if it is hardware related, then I highly recommend you take it to a nearby local repair shop. And the other reason could be that your software is outdated, or maybe you flashed a new custom software. For example, you flashed some GSI versions, you flashed some custom ROMs and so on, and that could be the reason why you've been facing bugs and errors. Make sure that you're using the official version of your smartphone original software. And if that is not the issue, then we will simply update our software. But since we do not have a Wi-Fi, what you could do is you could actually download it using data connection or some kind of issues like that. So go ahead and connect it to Wi-Fi or your data connection, and then simply check whether you're using the latest version of Android. Go to settings, scroll down to the bottom, and then select the option called software update. If your smartphone says that you are up to date, then that is perfectly fine. If it doesn't, then you have to simply update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these would have fixed the issue. If it did fix the issue, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.